Honorable Leader Imbe, go ahead and present your motion.
From the Federal Constituency, I'm proudly from Delta State. Mr. Speaker, this matter is a matter of urgent national importance, the deplorable nature of Benin, Warri, and Benin Asaba Onitsha highways. And they are standing under the names, the following names. Right Honorable Akpata Singh, the Deputy Leader, Honorable Nicholas Mutu, Honorable Leo Ogo, Honorable Mwokolo Victor, Honorable Nicholas Osai, Honorable Julius Bondi, Honorable Ben Roland Ibapa, Honorable Wife Francis, Honorable Thomas Erei Tomi, Honorable Efafe, Honorable Isi Idehen Jude, Honorable Edeole Joe, Honorable Ogun Sergius, Honorable Oguma Johnson Johnny Egwakide, Honorable Obede Ihama Omorege, Honorable Patrick Esewonre, Honorable Idohosa Dennis, Honorable Ihombere Julius, Honorable Francis Ota Abo, Honorable Fred Oboa Azikpabu, Honorable Richard Bande, and Honorable Jafaru Ribadu. The House notes the importance of the Benin Warri and Benin Asaba Onitsha roads as a gateway between the South-South and Southeast, as well as serving human, vehicular, and goods transportation cannot be overemphasized. The House further notes that the deplorable state of the roads have led to numerous ghastly and fatal resulting in injuries, deaths, and great loss of man-hours, as journeys of a few hours may take a whole day or days to get to respective destinations. Aware that the governor of Delta State, Senator Ifeanyi Nachukwu Ato Okowa, has graciously deployed a contractor to partially rehabilitate the Ologbo Benin Warri Road so as to alleviate the sufferings of the commuters, pending when the federal government, will deploy his team towards rehabilitation of the said road. Concerned that this situation has remained unchecked over the years as repairs have either been slow or non-existent, resulting in untold suffering, casualties, and deaths of commuters that could be avoided if repaired. Worried that this is capable of leading to further loss of lives, continued sufferings, and hardships by commuters, and a drain on the economy due to the avoidable loss of man-hours occasioned by time wasted on the roads and at the mechanic workshops. The House therefore resolves to urge the federal government to urgently direct the Federal Minister of Works and FEMA inclusive to immediately order the contractors to mobilize to site. 2, that the House do order the House Committee on Works and FEMA to investigate the past budgetary allocations and approvals and disbursements for the repairs of these roads and what, if anything at all, has been done. The House also urged the House therefore resolves to send a letter of commendation to the governor of Delta State for his magnanimity, patriotism, and show of love to all Nigerians.
Members, silence, please. Silence.
I so move.
Those in favor of the motion as amended say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.